Welcome the students in science class. Class 10, Unit 12, Hydrocarbon and its compounds. Topics: Hydrocarbon, saturated hydrocarbon, unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkane, alkene, alkyne, homologous series, functional group, IUPAC system, methane, ethane and propane, alcohol, glycerol, glucose. Hydrocarbon. The compounds formed by hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbon. Example: ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Saturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon which has single bond between carbon atoms is called saturated hydrocarbon. Example: ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon. The hydrocarbon which has double or triple bond between carbon atoms is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Example: ethene, propene, butene, acetylene. Alkane. The hydrocarbon which has single bond between carbon atoms is called alkane. Alkane is also called paraffin because it is less reactive hydrocarbon. Its general formula is CnH2n+2. Alkane. Molecular formula: structural formula: ethane C2H6, propane, C3H8, butane, C4H10, Alkene, the hydrocarbon which has double bond between carbon atoms is called alkene. Alkene is also called olefin. Its general formula is CnH2n. Alkene. Molecular formula, structural formula. Ethene, C2H4. Propene, C3H6. Butene, C4H8. Alkyne, the hydrocarbon which has triple bond between carbon atoms is called alkyne. Its general formula is CnH2n-2. Alkyne. Molecular formula, structural formula. Ethane, C2H2. Propane, C3H4. Butane, C4H6. Butane is saturated hydrocarbon because it has single bond between its carbon atoms. Acetylene is unsaturated hydrocarbon because it has triple bond between its carbon atoms. Homologous series. The series of hydrocarbon having same general formula and similar functional group. Meth 1, methane. Eth 2, ethane. Prop 3, propane. But 4, butane, pent 5, pentane. Similarly, hex 6, hept 7, oct 8, non 9, dec 10. Functional group. The radical which joins with alkyl radical to form specific hydrocarbon is called functional group. Example: OH represents alcohol. Alkyl group. The radical formed after removing a hydrogen atom of alkane is called alkyl group. Myth 1. Methyl. Eth 2. Ethyl. Prop 3. Propyl. But 4. Butyl. Pent 5. Pentyl. IUPAC system. The system of naming of organic compound with formula, prefix plus word root plus suffix is called IUPAC system of nomenclature. The full form of IUPAC is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Methane. Methane is hydrocarbon formed by a carbon atom bonding with 4 hydrogen atoms. Methane is also called Mars gas because it is found in marshy land. Uses: for using as fuel in home, for producing chloroform. Ethane. Ethane is hydrocarbon formed by 2 carbon atoms bonding with 6 hydrogen atoms. Uses: for using as fuel in home, for producing ethyl alcohol. Propane. Propane is hydrocarbon formed by 3 carbon atoms bonding with 8 hydrogen atoms. For using as fuel in home, for producing glycerin. Alcohol. The hydroxyl derivatives of hydrocarbon is called alcohol. Example: methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. The alcohol with only one hydroxyl group is called monohydric alcohol. Methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, propyl alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. The alcohol with two hydroxyl group is called dihydric alcohol. Glycerol. Trihydric alcohol. The alcohol with three hydroxyl group is called trihydric alcohol. Glycerin or Glycerol. Methyl alcohol. Alcohol with molecular formula CH3OH is called methyl alcohol. Uses: used in spirit lamp, used as organic solvent. Ethyl alcohol. Alcohol with molecular formula C2H5OH is called ethyl alcohol. Uses: used as organic solvent, used in alcohol beverage. Glycerol. Trihydric alcohol with molecular formula C3H5OH3 is called glycerol. Uses: used for crack skins, used in making soaps. Conversion of propane into glycerol. The substitution of three hydrogen atoms with three hydroxyl group forms glycerol. Glucose. The hydrocarbon with molecular formula C6H12O6 is called glucose. It is also called dextrose. Advantage: glucose provides energy for our body. Glucose is used for remedy of weakness. Blood glucose sugar may be high, called diabetes. Blood glucose may be less, causes person weak.